Crafting friendships. Hands slip stitch a path. An anxious needle weaves up and down fingers. Before a security blanket stitch fixes design. And French knotting untangles despair. Chains of silk free us to be friends. No bias binding our affection. Lost and found. Not a dusty set of cages in a railway station. A network of isolation across the whole nation. Not a fiver dropped from a bulging purse. A priceless friend being clapped in her hearse. Not a coat or a hat or a bag or a wrap. Comforting arms and grandpa's lap. These are the losses, so much more profound than the trivial possessions we call lost and found. And here is the neighbour who's done my shop, the dustman and doctor whose work hasn't stopped while I've waited indoors, safe and secure, passing the months of this long, weird year. This is the kindness found all around in the hearts of the workers, today's lost and found. The lost and found office just returns what's your own, umbrella or suitcase, laptop or phone. But mandated distance brings a new kind of gift, shrinking the miles which should cause a rift, bringing us closer through FaceTime or Zoom, virtual hugs from our own living room. Conferences, nattering, high-powered and low. These are the channels through which friendships flow.